trips. The hybrid system is designed to maximize fuel economy without sacrificing performance. It comes equipped with the latest safety and technology features. The LS is designed to keep you safe on the road, with a range of advanced safety features that help prevent accidents and protect you in the event of a collision. The technology features are equally impressive, offering everything from advanced navigation to a premium sound system. This includes Lexus Safety System Plus 2.5. This advanced safety suite includes features like adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and automatic emergency braking. It's designed to make driving safer and more enjoyable, giving you peace of mind on every journey. It also has a 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system. The large, high-resolution display makes it easy to access all of the car's features, from navigation to entertainment. The system is designed to be intuitive and user-friendly, with voice control and smartphone integration. The LS provides a driving experience that is both exhilarating and serene. The powerful engine and advanced suspension system deliver a smooth and responsive ride, while the quiet cabin and luxurious interior create a serene and relaxing environment. Whether you're driving through the city or cruising on the highway, the LS offers a driving experience like no other. It's a testament to the Lexus commitment to innovation and refinement. The LS is a perfect example of what makes Lexus one of the leading luxury car brands in the world. It's a car that combines cutting-edge technology, exceptional performance, and unparalleled luxury in a way that few other cars can match. The LS is more than just a car. It's a statement of what Lexus stands for and a testament to the brand's unwavering commitment to excellence. While Lexus is renowned for its luxurious sedans, the brand also boasts an impressive lineage of performance vehicles. The Lexus F Mark represents the pinnacle of Lexus performance. It's dedicated to delivering exhilarating driving experiences. It all started with the Lexus ISF. The ISF was a high-performance variant of the Lexus IS sports sedan. It debuted in 2007. The ISF was powered by a 5.0-liter V8 engine. It produced 406 horsepower. It quickly gained a following among driving enthusiasts. It was praised for its responsive handling and muscular engine note. The success of the ISF paved the way for other F models. This includes the Lexus RCF Coupe and the Lexus GSF Sports Sedan. These vehicles offer a compelling combination of luxury, performance, and everyday usability. They showcase the breadth of Lexus's engineering capabilities. They demonstrate the brand's commitment to delivering vehicles that cater to a wide range of driving enthusiasts.